For over 2,000 years, it has fueled philosophies and inspired research, shed light on the relationship between people and the world around us, and supported the health of entire nations. Once dismissed in the Western world as mere superstition, developments in modern science have revealed that there may be an underlying truth to the concepts of traditional Chinese medicine. Born in China around 1400 BCE during the Shang dynasty, Chinese traditional medicine is based on a rich legacy. The first evidence of medicinal practice in China can be found in oracle bones and tortoise shells engraved with Chinese characters that were used to treat members of the Shang royal family. The first book ever written introducing Chinese medical theory is called The Yellow Emperor's Inner Canon and was written in the 1st century BCE. The volume explains the relationship between the inner workings of the body and the universe, and how this relationship affects sickness. A second book, called The Treatise on Cold Damage Disorders and Miscellaneous Illnesses, was the first to group various illnesses into categories, as well as the first to outline the way in which philosophies from the Yellow Emperor's Inner Canon could be used in the formulation of drugs. Over time, the applications and methods of traditional Chinese medicine multiplied and the philosophy spread across China, eventually spilling into the rest of Asia. Traditional Chinese medicine is a highly complex topic based around a myriad beliefs. However, there are a few key philosophies around which all of Chinese medicine revolves. The most central concept of all is that of yin and yang, an idea which originated in the 16th century BCE. Yin and yang represent a universal balance and duality present in all things, from the movement of the stars and planets to bodily functions. Yin is characterized by dark, cold, and damp, whereas yang is characterized by light, heat, and dryness. In traditional Chinese medicine, maintaining a balanced relationship between yin and yang within the body is of utmost importance. Another highly important concept is known as Wu Xing, or the 5 elements. Where yin and yang may be classified as the concept of balance, Wu Xing highlights the impermanence and fluidity of all things. Wu Xing proposes that there are 5 elemental states to everything: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, and that there are 2 types of interactions between these states: generating interactions and overcoming interactions. In traditional Chinese medicine, the Wu Xing theory explains many interactions within the body, especially relationships between different organs. A third concept is that of qi, commonly referred to as life force or energy. In traditional Chinese medicine, there are 2 types of qi: qi that flows through the veins and qi that exists in muscle and tissue. And all qi plays 5 roles: fulfillment of life processes, or the energy needed to live; providing warmth, or rather the heat needed to survive; providing defense, or immunity from disease; containment, or rather holding the body intact; and transformation, such as the transformations of food into energy, energy into blood and life force, and so on. Traditional Chinese medicine employs many methods of healing to restore a balanced yin-yang relationship within the body. A few of the most common practices include acupuncture, acupressure, moxibustion, fire cupping, tui na, gua sha, qi gong, and herbal medicines. Acupuncture is a method of using thin needles to stimulate various points along the body, known as acupoints, in order to encourage the flow of qi. Acupressure and moxibustion also use these acupoints. However, acupressure is a form of treatment where pressure is applied to these points. In moxibustion, the herb mugwort is placed on the skin at these acupoints and burned to provide heat stimulation. Fire cupping is a treatment that encourages blood flow within the body. A flame is placed within spherical glass cups to remove the air and create a vacuum. The cups are then placed along the body, creating areas of reduced pressure, encouraging blood to be drawn close to the skin. Tui Na is also known as Chinese massage, and is in essence a combination of massage and acupressure. Gua Sha is another method that promotes blood flow. In this practice, smooth stones or shells are scraped against the skin until red spots appear. Qi Gong is used to balance one's qi flow and is, in essence, a type of martial art similar to Tai Chi, mixed with awareness meditation, slow breathing, and controlled movement. The final practice is also one of the most well-known. Traditional Chinese herbal remedies have been used for thousands of years to treat various illnesses. Unlike Western medicine, where different ailments are prescribed a certain type of medicine, in traditional Chinese medicine practice, the cure prescribed is usually based on the practitioner's intuition. Common ingredients used in traditional Chinese medicine cures are mushrooms, camellia, chrysanthemum, ginger, ginkgo, ginseng, goji berry, along with countless other ingredients, both from plants and animals, many of which are now deemed cruel or unsafe to use. Traditional Chinese medicine has had a profound impact on Asian society and the world as a whole. Collectively, it was one of the first explorations by humanity into the study of science. Today, traditional Chinese medicine is practiced in almost every country around the globe, though it is most prevalent in China, Taiwan, and East Asia. Not only have the cures been central to the health of entire civilizations, but the philosophies of traditional Chinese medicine have greatly affected Asian culture and lifestyle. Though medicine has advanced greatly in the past 100 years, and Western medicine itself may be deemed more effective than traditional cures, the philosophies embedded in traditional Chinese medicine remain as potent, central, and applicable to humanity today as they were in the time of the Shang Dynasty. Therefore, as the study of medicine expands and evolves, it is important that we pause to remember the significant role that ancient concepts play in modern life.